over,
Mm-hmm.
but I try to go gentle and just like that.
Oh, just hold it.
Yeah, and I have these reversed, so I know the thread because I tread pattern. Once in a while I get them switched, but usually I don't. And I just do that, and then simple. This is the tricky part. Not always work, but usually it'll stay. Usually. There's you see. So if it doesn't stay, there's an example. So usually it'll stay. If the wheel's like this. I was trying to show you that if you don't do it, and then it's easy. And then I usually just do that till I'm ready to, you know, until I'm ready to transfer. But I've got to get my.
Oh no, that's fine.
Rubber shoes.
Okay. I know.
Comfortable. Then I just plop down, plop, you know. But we're just our bodies work differently.
Right, and I have scoliosis, so I cannot.
So my upper's okay.
Yeah.
Again, but it's kind of, I'm kind of glad I probably should have done it without it falling for Raj's video, but I kind of, if you lean it right, it doesn't move. But I know how the wheel is. If it's gonna, that's why I said
it's good that it has it fell because we're able to see what you do after that.
So do you now directly transfer to the chair, or you sit down and then transfer?
Give me one second. Let me put my shoes on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just pop down.
If someone is helping me, like
because
get the chair and out.
I have to use these chairs on my tennis. I use these, they're wider on the bottom. When I play tennis, I put those on. So my feet don't.
Yeah.
Then I'll get back up and be right behind you, but because we're not in a hurry. We're okay. Doesn't look like that. I don't know where all the cars are. There's a few here, but not everybody unless they're on the other side. Okay. I'll do both real quick, but if I'm getting out, I switch my glasses too in my pen. So if I'm getting out, I get it there, and I just grab it. As long as I grab it, I can't really fall. Right? Because if I grab it, I'm here. And if you want, I have to get back up anyway, but then it's easy. Get up, same thing, but it's not. You have to practice. Because if you don't practice.
That's what I do.
Yeah, you put one or both feet in.
I put one.
But if you don't practice.
My transfer is same.
Because you know, you can. I've fallen out just like everybody else sometimes. Look at Raj. You don't have to worry about nothing. He's like
tall.
He just walks up. He's taller than you. I know he's like. I don't know exactly how to tell you.
The chair is assembled. I can transfer from the passenger seat. To assemble it, I get down.
From the other side, I have more trouble. Like if I'm always driving, but if I get on the other side, it's like what?
When I'm not driving and have to sit on passenger seat, it gets difficult for me because I'm not used to it.
I'm actually